Today we're gonna be testing out 3 challenges with monster trucks with dozens of tricks. Today we're gonna do it if anything could win. First, these cars we are gonna make a race right here. Will silver or white or blue win? Whoa, they got a little stuck. Whoa. Whoa.
Looks like silver one.
I think the furthest that to go the most wins. So white and blue win.
Oh, okay.
White is in first place. Blue is in second place. And silver is in in third place.
Okay.
All these monster trucks love to race. Next, we're going to do this. Today, if my mayo could survive, could it? Let's move it a bit more closer. Oh, this monster truck goes wherever it wants. Whoa, I think we can try this one. Maybe let's try this one. Wow, how about this? Oh, almost. Let's see this one. Show me what you got, big monster truck. Let's see. Whoa, almost. Maybe we have to move it a bit closer. Maybe right here. How about this? Looks like they keep losing. How about this? Oh, my male survived! Now, he gets to have a quick shower. Whoa. Whoa. Look at it. Whoa. Wee. Round 3. Gets wet a lot. Let's see. Even the cars are in here. Let's see who gets the most wetness wins. Let's see. If they do a backflip or land upside down, they win. So these are all the cars. So now, let's see. I'm picking them up. Let's see who lands upside down. Whoop. And, oh, a lot of them landed upside down. Whoa, it looks like you could drive underwater now. Wow. It's like an underwater city. Whoa. And now we're gonna make like an island here. So let's take all the cars out. A lot of them won. A lot of them are in first place. Now I'm gonna make this little island. Here's the island right here. If it falls off of the island, it loses. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Wow! That was cool. Let's make another like island. Maybe this. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't. You rock! To death. So now the car. Oh! It just made it get upside down. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, when it's upside down, it actually sinks. Woo.
Ready? Go.
So, guys, today this is the final one. Today, we're going to be launching them into the water. Oh, no trucks allowed. Oh, how did this happen? Now,
The red one again.
whoa. So, this is the red one. Let's see. Whoa! How about this one, guys? It's going to be super awesome. With this one. Whoa. I'm driving inside. My phone. Oh! How about the fire truck? Wow. Wow. Now let's do these. Oh, it's about to fall. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. Now. Whoa! This is awesome. No trucks allowed anymore. Come on. Through. Whoa! Whoa! There's so many of them. So, I think there's like some now I don't see them. Whoa! This stick gets wet. And, ooh, look at the stick. Barbecue. I'm barbecuing. Ow, no. Oh, let's see this. This is so. Oh. Now let's see this. There's another one on that material. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you had fun with our monster trucks.